Socrates was born in Athens around 470 BC during the classical period of ancient Greece. He was a son of a stonesman and a midwife. He spent most of his life in his beloved city itself, that is Athens. Interestingly, he calls his philosophical work as a form of mental midwifery, that is about helping others to give birth to their own understanding of life. Socrates was also a citizen soldier. He had served in several battles, but it wasn't his military service that made him famous. He was famous for developing a unique method of inquiry, which we call today as Socratic method. Back then it was called Elenchus. This method involved asking a series of questions to challenge and clarify the ideas about what is truth, what is a virtue, what is justice. The goal was to expose the contradictions and guide his audience towards a deeper understanding of life and the issues that surrounded them. Socrates also declared that I know nothing. This is a famous quote he gave. This wasn't mere skepticism, but his profound awareness of his own ignorance. This is what set him apart from the orthodox thinkers of that time. When we look at Socrates' ethical philosophy, it is quite evolutionary, we can say. He believed that knowledge was a virtue and that moral errors stemmed mostly from ignorance only. According to him, all the virtues were unified, they were one piece. And understanding the good, what is bad, would naturally lead to right actions. Socrates also insisted that if a life is unexamined, it is not worth living. This statement underscores the importance of self-awareness. It also emphasizes how important critical reflection is to lead a moral life. Despite such huge contributions, in 399 BC, Socrates was tried and condemned to death by his own people on charges of corrupting the youth and their minds. Despite his execution, his ideas have lived on, mostly through the writings of his students, especially Plato. So, Socrates' legacy is quite immense. Through Plato's dialogues, his methods, and the ethical concepts have continued to influence the Western thought even today.